how you doing? ¿Español? ¿Habla español? Miss Shasta.
Solo estamos dando agua y si me puede prender la puerta, así se lo puede meter cuando puede pasar. Gracias. Hi, my name is Airman Diego from the 149 Services. We're currently at Mercedes P.O.D, giving out water and ice to all the local people coming by, pretty much.
Do you turn anybody away or no?
Oh no, of course not. Everybody gets ice or water. We were giving food, but at the moment there's no food left.
How long y'all been out here?
Since last Wednesday.
And when do you plan on pulling up, do you know?
Depends how many people need help. We'll be out here until they need help. Hi, sir. How are you?
All right.
Where are you from?
County.
County?
Yesterday we gave out 12,000 bags on a 12-hour period.
12,000 bags?
12 hours.
We do an average of about a pallet every half hour. The whole pallet has about 40 bags.
We did over 700 cars yesterday, 2 boxes of water per car, so it's 1,400.
How many?
1,400 cases.
1,400 cases of water?
Minimal yesterday.
It's been like that pretty much since we started?
I'm not real sure how it is on this site, but on the other site we were at, it was.
Maybe that's not a good sign. I don't know.